Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So, what do you like? Which game do you like to play?
I like hopscotch game
Okay, so why do you like this game?
because this game is 5 minute remember and 1 lakh challenges.
Okay,
So
okay,
and
that's
around
good.
the sequence area. And you like?
Oh, I like to play Ludo.
Why do you like Ludo game?
Okay, I like Ludo because it is a very fun game and we can play Ludo by sitting one place and we can play in with family members also and we do not have to do something here and there to go. We just sit and play this. That's why I
Okay.
like to play Ludo.
Do you like the game virtually and yeah,
Um,
physical?
Actually, I like to play Ludo on all in online.
But online game play the very harmful in eyes.
Yes,
Many times of watch.
yes, I know it's harmful for eyes, but we play sometimes, not whole day and every time. That's why
Uh,
we can.
only game like do you and other.
Yeah, I I like to play hide and seek also because
My favorite in hide and seek
oh, that's
game
good
because I many times hide and see and
because yes, this is a game of like to find someone hide and find someone. That's why
in any area in hide. So
yes.
and do you like food?
Yes, I like to eat foods and I like homemade food most of the time. But I eat sometimes I eat outside food also. One food I don't like ever and ever like I don't like dosa. Do you like dosa?
I like aloo paratha because I eating along with the chutney and stuffing
Of aloo
aloo
potatoes.
potatoes
Yes.
and
I also love to eat aloo paratha because it's the
aloo paratha almost a favorite in
favorite for everyone. Yes.
everyone. So
Yeah. By the way, nice to meet you.
thank you. Same here.
Yes, yeah.